Welcome to the NASCAR Domino's Cup Series. We're testing the 2019 rules package, Domino's rules package. I showed up for video early today. About a few weeks back or a month back. So let's do toss up one. First up, we got Jimmy Johnson. He's a little bit slow. Okay, not bad. He looks very slow. Ricky Stenhouse Jr.'s next. Not bad. Okay. Michael McDowell. Here we go. Oh, not bad. Next up is Ryan Preece. He gets the early lead. Next up is Ryan Blaney. Here we go. Blaney was a little bit slow. Next up is Brad Keselowski. Oh, he gets hit by Ricky Stenhouse Jr. Here comes the underdog, Kyle Larson. Here we go. Let's give him a tap. Come on. Oh, wait, let's restart. Here we go. Next. Kyle Larson. Oh, I get. Uh-oh. So, he is a DNF. His engine has expired. Kyle Larson's engine has expired. So, he'll restart early soon. So, we get a new car for him. Next up is Alex Bowman. Very fast. Oh, he slowed down a little. Comes up the next Mustang, Eric Almirola. Oh, Johnson moves up. What a bump by Eric Almirola. Next up is Kevin Harvick. He rolls very early, and he has blown the engine. Kevin Harvick has blown the engine, and he has a lot of damage to that splitter. He hit the splitter, and his engine is expired. So new backup car. Excuse me, there was someone making noise. Actually, he'll be restarting here soon. Next up is Denny Hamlin. Here we go. Oh, Denny Hamlin has expired his engine, so he'll go to a backup. Next up is Chase Elliott. Here we go. His engine is expired. Another one engine is expired. He will go to a backup. Next up is Daniel Hemrick. Oh, so Ryan Blaney and Daniel Hemrick will have a shootout. They both have a shootout because they bump each other. That's the 2019 rules package. Here they go. Restart. Ryan Blaney gets the early lead. Oh, Daniel Hemrick's engine has expired, so he'll go to a backup. Next one is Joey Logano. Here we go. Whoa, he gets a horrific jump to the lead. Next is Clint Bowyer. Oh, bad run. Oh, a bad run. Finally is William Byron. Here we go. What a good run for those cars. So we'll get the other cars, backup cars, ready. Here we go. 42 not going. Harvick, Chase Elliott, Daniel Hemrick, Kevin Harvick, and Kyle Larson failed to qualify. What happened? Yeah, they got a bumping start. Here we go to the restart. Kyle Larson's having a big trouble today. Uh-oh. Harvick. He'll make it finally. Kyle Larson has disqualified due to engine trouble, suspension trouble. Having suspension issues. Pit crew. He said, Some of these parts are missing. And missing is the carbon fiber. Missing missing a lug nut. Missing a lug nuts, 2 lug nuts on the tire. And having engine trouble, which is this part. Thank you. So Carl Larson will be a backup car at the championship finale.